Hi all, my name is Dineo from Bare Ineri. Thank you for checking out our campaign to publish an incredible new short story collection of original writings from Lesotho. Let me tell you a bit about who we are. Bare Ineri, which is the equivalent of Once Upon a Time in our Sesotho language, is an educational non-profit that enriches the lives of Basotho people by promoting increased literacy, creative writing, and artistic exchange. Our flagship project is the annual Bare Ineri Literature Festival, which was founded in 2011 by local visionary Diepollo Rantekwa. Unfortunately, Diepollo passed away tragically in 2012, though since then we, her friends, with the support of her family, have rallied together to strive for her vision of a more literate and creative Lesotho. In an effort to expand the opportunities writers in Lesotho have to share their stories, we have decided to design and publish a book of all new writings this year, which we plan to launch on the opening night of our literature festival in December. We're asking for your help to make this book happen. This essential book, which we're calling Dikgeleke tsa Puo, meaning wordsmiths in Sesotho, contains 23 original stories that have never been published before. They are written in both English and Lesotho's original brand of Sesotho, because it's incredibly important for us to promote indigenous language and allow writers to express themselves how they are most comfortable. As Bare Ineri, our mission is to change negative perceptions of Lesotho by leading its literary revolution. When people think of Lesotho, if they ever do, they might imagine mountains, horses, woven hats, and sadly HIV. But we're determined to break the stereotypes by presenting new diverse narratives created by talented writers who are telling their own stories. We need your help to bring this book to life. Once the project is funded, not only will you as contributors be rewarded with a copy of the book, you will also have been an important part of igniting Lesotho's literary revolution. All sales of the book will go into the production of future books to be published by Bare Ineri, so that we can continue to provide a platform to Lesotho's talented writers, incite literacy, and defeat the danger of the single story, as Chimamanda Adichie so eloquently put it. The more books we produce, the more Basotho youth can be inspired by local voices, further developing the cultures of reading and writing in Lesotho and restoring Lesotho's incredible literary tradition. Thank you. Re a leboha.